What's going on, guys? Today I'm about to give you guys a little video on sessions and the three main sessions that I focus on and I tell everyone that they should focus on. There's, I think, 5 in total, but these are the 3 most important ones. And those 3 are the New York session, the Asian session, and the London session. First, I'm going to show you guys the New York session. So if you look here, I have a sessions little indicator you guys could look up, and it highlights each session. So here I'm gonna show you guys New York first and what New York be doing. New York session usually moves with USD pairs, and it tends to be fast paced and to move a lot. New York session is the session that I primarily focus on and that I trade myself because there's a lot of volatility, meaning the market moves a lot during those times. And those times, New York session opens at 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern time and closes at 5 p.m. So 8 a.m. through 5 p.m. is all New York session. So if you look here at 6:30 in the morning, 7, 8, right here is where New York opens. Price, as you can see, starts falling right here. Starts falling. All this is momentum from New York open, just from here. As you can see, price was ranging, going slow, and then at 8 o'clock, New York open, price fell, fell 60 points. This is on US 30. But other pairs that move during this time too are anything related to the dollar. So pairs like GBP, USD, US 30, anything like the United States or related to the US currency usually tends to move at this time. And then NYSE, I've said it in another video, this opens at 9:30 in the morning. This is the pairs that tend to move with this is US 30, NAS 100, S&P 500. These are all related to the US dollar, and they all, when the markets open at 9:30 in New York, a lot of people are putting in trades, so the market tends to move a lot at 9:30, from like 9:30 to 9:45, 9:50, around that little area, as you can see here. So price came down, New York, and then NYSE 9 o'clock, then 9:30. You can see this whole move was just from 9:30 on US 30. 108 points. As you can see, price came down, and then NYSE started to go up, took out all the highs over here, came right back down. But that's it for the New York session. The next session I'm going to be showing you is the London session. If you move over here, the London session is from 3 in the morning, 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern time. I'm not sure what time that is in London, but I'm just saying most of my viewers are from the United States, so this is for you. 3 a.m. to 12 p.m. noon. That's when the London session occurs. And pairs that tend to move is anything related to the Britain pound, GBP. So pairs like GBP, JPY, Euro GBP, those pairs tend to move a lot. GJ, a lot of those move at this time during London session. So from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m., it's an overlap with New York. So if you look here, you can see they overlap a little bit because London closes at 12. So these overlap. So that's another reason why price tends to move a lot during these times. So as you can see, London session opens right here, 3 in the morning. Price pushes up, takes these highs out, starts to range over. And then right here, 6:30 in the morning, starts to fall, keeps falling, ranges out. 8 a.m. comes along, and this one looks like it was a ranging consolidating day, so it ranged out here. But as you can see, all this is all London. So these are all moves you could catch right here. Then it started ranging. Could have caught all this. It's all London. London tends to move a lot, just like New York. These are the 2 best sessions that I trade. I don't trade London, but I might look at it sometimes. but I don't usually trade it because US 30 moves at 9:30 in the morning every day, so it doesn't make sense for me to trade London session. But these two sessions are very important. If you want to catch good trades and good high quality setups, they often happen at these times. So you want to make sure you're at the charts looking for trades at these times. And that's going to lead me on to the last session, Asian session. This is the session that nobody likes to trade. As you can see, it just ranges. Asian session is very rangy. Nothing tends to happen at the times from 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Horrible. Anything related to the US dollar is most of the time ranging. As you can see, US 30 ranging. But pairs that do tend to move at this time are pairs such as USD JPY, AUD USD, NZD USD. Those are all foreign pairs, but they move at these times because this is their currency, if you get what I'm saying. So just like anything US dollar related moves during the New York session, that's because that's our currency. You can see it for yourself. It's literally in, what is this, 120 point range, just going up and down, and then over here 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, the volatility starts coming in, and then look, 9:30. You can see it for yourself. If you don't believe me, believe the charts. Look at this, 9:30. I'm telling you, with US 30, if you trade US 30, ever think about it, trade and watch 9:30. Backtest 9:30, learn the strategy, and make some money. I'm telling you, just put the time in and backtest it. But hopefully this video was informational. I hope it helped anyone understand how important timing is in market sessions. And if you're gonna trade, London session and New York session, these are the best trading times in my opinion. If you want to trade Asian session, you can. Sometimes your setups, I'm not gonna lie, and sometimes if you notice, if you watch Asian session and anticipate it to range and then expect the move to come in later on in the day. So say you just waited for all this, you waited because you knew it wasn't the time. You wait for the timing, and if you see that it's starting to move up, you can start anticipating maybe a move to these higher prices up here, and just wait for the time, get a good entry, and just wait. That's all it is. But hopefully this helped you guys. I'm see you guys in the next video, and take it easy.